making this Pom Pom banner. As you can see, we have a banner strung on a string, like so. Of course, it is like a pom-pom that you use for cheering, so you can make it for that purpose also. I've chosen this lovely silver paper just to make it a little more sophisticated, so you can see that it's not always pinks and blues and so on. So what we need to make this craft is a sheet of kite or tissue paper, a ruler, pencil, paper clip, scissors, and of course the string or the yarn that it is tied onto. Okay, let's get started. We're going to fold our paper into 4, and we're folding it with the long side. Okay, so this is it here at 4 equal pieces. Now this kind of paper likes to move around, so I'm just going to use my paper clip to keep it into place. Alright, so this is a folded top here, and I'm going to mark about 2 inches off the top. Okay, and now I'm just going to draw some lines an inch apart. Now because my ruler is 1 inch wide, I don't need to measure the inches. I can just use my ruler as a guide. Using the width of my ruler as a guide, and you don't have to be exact, you know, because it's one of those crafts that doesn't have to be too exact. Okay, so now that we have that in place, we're going to cut our stripes up to that line. Okay, and I do find it useful to keep that paper clip in place, and we're going to cut up to the line. Don't worry if some of your cutting lines are crooked. It really does not show up in the final product. So we're just going to cut those strips all the way up until we get to that line there. And I know some of you older folks can just do this without even marking it. Once you get the hang of it, you don't even need to draw the lines, because you're just cutting these strips and you're stopping so that they don't go all the way. Okay, remove our paper clip, and now we're going to open this. Okay, open it like so, and we're going to open it again like so. Okay, so we're going to have the centerpiece. Make sure all of our strips are on either side. Okay, so this is the centerpiece here, and we're just going to pull it up together like this. Okay, and once we've got to that centerpiece, we're going to twist. We're just twisting the centerpiece. Okay, just make sure I'm in the center. And now we're going to take this, and we're going to pretend this line is hanging from the wall. Okay, and we're going to put it on around the line. Okay, and we're just going to twist it on the line to keep it in place. crochet, and we are going to end up with our banner. And you can make as many of these on your banner as you wish, but it's an easy craft. And of course you can make these to cheer along your favorite team. Remember to follow us on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. We look forward to hearing from you. Yay!